If you're buying chicken feeds every single week, stop. Because in the next 13 minutes, I'm going to show you 4 powerful plants that can dramatically reduce or even replace expensive commercial chicken feed. And no, this is not theory. Those are real plants that farmers around the world are already using to cut costs, grow healthier birds, and increase profits. Feed prices are rising everywhere: Africa, America, Asia, Europe. It doesn't matter where you live, chicken feed is eating up your profit. But what if I told you you could grow part of your chicken feed in your own backyard with plants that grow faster, require little space, improve egg production, boost immunity, and cost almost nothing to maintain? In this video, I'm going to show you how Azolla can multiply in days and become a protein powerhouse for your flock. How banana plant can provide more than just fruit. Even the leaves and stem can feed chicken. Why Moringa is called a miracle tree and how it improves egg quality. And how sweet potato leaves can reduce your feed bill significantly. But here's the important part. Most farmers use those plants the wrong way, and that can reduce growth or even harm your birds. So stay with me, because I will also show you the correct way to prepare each plant, how much to feed, and how to combine those safely. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to start saving money, whether you have 10 chickens or 10,000 chickens. Let's start with the fastest growing one, Azolla. Azolla is a plant that multiplies like magic, yet very powerful to challenge commercial feed. But you know what? Here's the craziest part. Azolla can double in size every 3 to 5 days. That's not farming, that's biology working overtime. Let's see the nutrition power. Azolla contains 20 to 30% of protein. It is rich in iron, very high in calcium, good levels of magnesium. It contains beta-carotene. It also contains essential amino acid. And protein is the energy of growth. That means very fast weight gain, better feathers development, stronger egg production, improved immunity. Now let's see how we can grow Azolla. Simple method. You don't need a farm, you don't need a tractor, you don't need money. Do you know what you need? Just a shallow pond or a plastic sheet pit around 2 meters by 2 meters. A cow duck, natural fertilizer, a clean water, and a partially shade. Let's go through the steps. First, you dig a shallow pit about 10 to 15 centimeters deep. Second, align it with a plastic sheet. Now let's go to banana plant. When most people see the banana plant, they just see the fruit. But for smart farmers, they see feed. Because the banana plant is not only just food for humans, It's emergency feed security. Let's look at the nutrition value. The banana leaves and stems contains fiber, potassium, small amount of protein, magnesium, and natural carbohydrates. The stem contains moisture and energy. Chicken loves the tender inner parts. And the potassium that supports muscle function and egg quality. How to grow banana feed? Don't worry. If you live in tropical or subtropical regions like Africa, Asia, South Africa, this is pure gold. Banana grows best in well-drained soil with organic manure with regular watering. It produces fruits, leaves, stem, and peels. Every part can be used strategically. It's not just a crop, it's a feed reserve. Now, how to prepare banana plant for chickens? Very important. Do not just throw the whole stems in the crop. Instead, chop leaves finely. Then number 2, slice the inner stem in small pieces. And number 3, sun dry to reduce the moisture in it. And number 4, mixed with grains or formulated feed. The banana peels, dry them fast, then crush them. Use as 5 to 15% of feed mixture. Too much fiber can reduce digestion efficiency, but when balanced, it reduces boredom and it adds cheap energy. And now we move to something legendary. Let's look at our third plant, which is the moringa. If Mozilla is fast and banana is abundant, then what about moringa? It is royalty. Often called the miracle tree, it has the nutritional profile, which contains 25 to 30% of protein, high calcium, iron, zinc, vitamin A, vitamin C, and vitamin E. Let me say it again. High calcium, strong egg shell. So, if your chicken lays soft shelled eggs, moringa might be the answer. Let's look at the benefits for the chicken. Moringa improves egg yolk color, it boosts immunity, it reduces mortality, it improves weight gain, and it also enhances fertility in breeding stock. How to grow the moringa tree? First, remember, it grows in tropical areas, in semi-arid areas, and even in poor soil areas. So what you are supposed to do, you just plant the seeds directly. Space 1 meter apart. Water moderately. It grows very fast. Then you can harvest the leaves in 2 to 3 months. You can cut regularly. It regrows like a renewable protein factory. How do we prepare the moringa? Very simple. Never feed large raw branches. Instead, just harvest the leaves. Then dry them under the shade, not direct to the sun. Then crush into powder and mix 5 to 10% into feed. Remember, too much can affect the taste of the eggs, but correctly levels, magic. And finally, the plant that many people ignore is the sweet potatoes leaves. Lastly, let's talk about the sweet potato leaves. Do you know many people they just eat the tuber. But for farmers, you should value the leaves. Do you know why? Because the sweet potato leaves contains 20 to 25 proteins, iron, calcium, phosphorus, and even vitamin A. That's serious nutrition. The benefits of the sweet potato leaves to the chicken. First, they improve the growth rate. Second, they enhance the yolk color. Third, they boost the immune system. And the fourth, they provide affordable green proteins. They grow very fast, like nature trying to help you. Now, how to grow the sweet potatoes for leaves? Very simple. You plant the vine cuttings. Try to space them properly and remember to water moderately. And within weeks, you are harvesting the leaves. You don't need even to wait for the tubers. No, just harvest the leaves every 2 to 3 weeks. It is sustainable, renewable, and profitable. How to prepare the method? Very important. The raw leaves contains anti-nutritional factors in small amount. So, you just sun dry slightly, then you chop finely, and the last one, you mix the 10 to 15% into feed. Remember, don't exceed 20% because balancing is very important. Now, imagine this: Azolla in a small pond, Moringa along your fence, sweet potato spreading across your soil, bananas standing like guardians on feed security. 4 plants, 1 strategy: lower cost, healthier birds, higher profits, and the best part, you control it, not the feed company. Thanks so much for watching. If you see this helpful, subscribe and turn on the notification so you'll never miss the next one.